Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Mawash here with the fifth episode of my series. 2 weeks ago, I started Plan School Lunches with Me series where I invited you to plan a month's worth of school lunches with me. I shared some important tips and tricks to consider before making a plan, and then I showed you how to make a weekly planner for the whole month. This week, I'm sharing two more feasible lunches that my kids love to take regularly. I have already shared two fresh lunches in episode 2, two feasible lunches in episode 3 and 4. Today, I'm sharing these mince, veggie, and cheese tacos, or as my children like to call them, mince boats. In the previous episode, I showed you how to prepare a simple mince filling and fill the pitas with it. In this episode, we will use the same mince and add some more veggies into it. Then I'll show you how to make the taco boats. Here are all the ingredients you will need to prepare the mince boats. I'm just going to add these three veggies: onions, corn, and bell peppers. If you want, you can add peas, broccoli, carrots, or mushrooms. Like I've said before, you can hide any veggie between pizza sauce and cheese and kids will still love it. So you'll need one onion cut into small squares, two bell peppers also cut into small squares, 1.5 cup corn kernels, soft tortilla boats. I'm making 24, so I'm going to use 2 packets of them. Shredded cheddar cheese and pizza sauce. I'm using the leftover mince from Pita Turnovers. You can check out in episode 4 how I made a simple mince filling. I'll add the link below in the description so it's easier for you to visit. So what I'll do is first cook all the veggies and then add mince in it to turn this into veggie and mince filling. Here's how to turn your simple mince filling into veggie and mince filling. Heat some oil and add all the veggies. All these have roughly the same cooking time, but if you're using carrots or peas, add them first, half cook them, and then add these veggies. Cook till onions become translucent and bell peppers are wilted. Now add the leftover simple mince filling and mix thoroughly until everything comes together. Just check the taste and adjust your salt and spices. Just keep in mind that the spices or salt are kid appropriate as you are making it for them. After adding salt or any other spice, mix it and cook it for a minute or 2. Ooh, here is yummy veggie and mince filling. Who loves mince as much as I do? I can gobble this up with a spoon. So bye bye base. Well, you can use this filling with any other base. I talked about using different combinations in the first episode. So this filling can be used with bread, buff pastry, or on top of a pizza base. Now I'm going to show you how to make mince boats. In another one of my series, I have shown you how to make pizza boats. So we are going to do the same process but with different filling. First, line the baking tray with baking paper. Then place soft tortilla taco boats on top. Add pizza sauce on each and spread it. Now add some cheese on the base and then add your mince mixture. The cheese on the base helps to stick base and filling together. So nearly 1 heaped tablespoon of filling goes in every boat. Once all are filled, add some more cheese on top and place it in an oven. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese melts and the edges turn a bit golden. Serve it hot with some tomato sauce if you're planning to snack on it, but if you're planning to freeze, then let them cool down completely. Then place them in an airtight container, place a baking paper in between if you're layering them on top of each other, and then freeze. If you want to see how I freeze school lunches for kids, including this one, then follow the link below in the description to watch part 2 of my first episode where I show you how to freeze lunches properly. These veggie and mince taco boats are really delicious and kids as well as adults love them a lot. You can use any type of filling in it. Remember the combinations I talked about in episode 1? So this is one of the combinations that my kids love a lot because it has beef mince in it. It's a plus for me as well, as beef is a nutrient-dense food and helps fight iron deficiency. One more healthy, yummy and freezable lunchbox recipe is coming this week, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. Visit the links below in the description to check out all the other episodes in the Plan School Lunches with Me series. Hit that like button if you like these taco boats with some veggie and mince filling, and comment down below if you would like to fill it with something else. Thanks for watching and bye for now.